Namaskar. This is Rajeshwari. Welcome to our devotional star channel. Srimad Virat Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami. Srimad Virat Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami is the Jagat Guru. He wrote the Kalajnana and Atmajnana to enlighten the people. He leads his life very simple. What every verse he said in Kalajnana is truly happening in the world. And also what every verse he said in Atmajnana is also enlightening the human beings as knowing the actual purpose of life. Brahmendra Swami, there are millions of devotees who pray to him till this date because they believe that he is still alive in Jiva Samadhi and protecting the world with his powerful vibrations, and blessings will be there to his devotees always. He wrote the Kalajnanam in Telugu language, which is known as Brahmangari Kalajnanam. బాహ్య విషయములకై పరిగెత్తినావంటే ఏడిపించి నీపై స్వారీ చేసేను. పరమాత్మ వైపున మనసు నిలిపావంటే ప్రకృతే నీ పాద సేవ చేసేను. This is one of the wonderful poem written by Srimad Virat Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami. The actual meaning of this poem is, if you think and run towards the physical part of a world, which means the luxury life, then the nature will throw you in problem mentally and physically. Finally will cry always. But if you think and pray to God, leading a life by meditating Supreme God heartfully, then the nature will give you everything like health, wealth, name, fame, respect and peaceful life. During this present situation of coronavirus, we have to know about Jagat Guru Srimad Virat Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami. In this video, I am here to spread what every verse he said in Kalajnanam to the people who suffering from corona, and blessings will be there to his devotees all over the world. He said Kalajnanam in Telugu language, but I translate that into English. Before that, we will know about his life story briefly. The story of Veerabrahmendra Swami. At a time when there were no five elements, the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, the planets like the sun and the moon, and the stars like Ashwini. Vishwakarma, who was self-born, shown with five heads, Sadyojata, Vamadeva, Aghora, Tatpurusha and Isana, and ruled the universe in Krita Yuga. The five Brahmas ruled the universe with the help of their sublams. The sun Indra, Ishvara, Vishnu and Brahma during the Krita, Treta, Dwapara Yugas. With the advent of Kali Yuga, people began to lead sinful lives and dharma was on the decline. Wicked people tortured the good and the pious, who raised a woeful cry to Parameshwara and begged for his protection. Who was Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami? Man is the supreme being in God's creation. He has always endeavored to get into the higher spiritual realms, his ultimate goal being realization of God and salvation or mukti. India is a large and ancient country with the natural boundaries of the Himalayas and the sea. It is a land of saints, rishis, siris, godmen, yogis, mahatmas, hermits, avadhutas, parivrajakacharyas and paramahamsas. Srimad Virat Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami was one of such great saints. He belonged to Kandimalayapalli of Kadapa district in Andhra Pradesh. Place of birth. Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami was born of pious couple Paripurnaya Acharya and Prakrutamba in the first decade of the 17th century at the hermitage of Atri Muni on the bank of river Saraswati in Uttar Pradesh. While they were returning home in their village from a pilgrimage to Varanasi. Childhood. Sri Veerabrahmendra Swami was adopted by the Papagni Peetam, then Mysore state in his first year. He stayed there till his 12th year and then proceeded on a tour of various places in the country after Upanayana Samskaram, that is, wearing the sacred thread. Penance and Prophecy. On his tour, he visited many sacred places and shrines and performed serve penance at Hariharapuram. Then he went to Banaganapalli in Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. Here he started writing the book Kalajnanam, literally knowledge of time, full of prophecies and spiritual teachings as a cowherd in the house of Garmareddy Achama. He lived here for about 20 years. Marriage. Sri Veerabhadramendra Swami left Banaganapalli and reached Kadnimalayapalli in Kadapa district. He worked as a sculptor, carpenter and blacksmith for his livelihood and married a pious woman, Govindamma, the daughter of Kotayacharyalu of Pedakomarla. During his stay at Kandimalayapalli, he selected Siddhaya, a Muslim, and Kakaya, a Harijan, as his main disciples and imparted spiritual knowledge to one all, irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion, and region. Besides, he also taught the scripture to the Muslim rulers of the period, Nawabs, and persuaded them to respect all the other religions, entering the divine body. It was written in the book of Kalajnanam that he was in the human body till the completion of his austerities at Hariharapuram and then entered the divine body. The Swami performed many miracles while he was on a visit to the different parts of South India. Visit to holy places. Sri Veerabhadramendra Swami visited a number of sacred places, shrines, and religious centers such as Srisailam, Tirupati, Virupaksham, Pushpagiri, Srirangam, etc., and spread spiritual knowledge, striking a new path for the future generations. Attaining Siddhi. Sri Veerabhadramendra Swami attained Sajiva Samadhi, that is living Samadhi, by entering his grave alive in the last decade of the 17th century. After leading a saintly life for about 90 years at his Matam in the village of Kandimalayapalli of Kadapa district. Let us know what every word he said in Kalajnanam. Govinda Vakyalu. శ్రీ 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 పోతులూరి వీరబ్రహ్మేంద్ర స్వామివారు కాలజ్ఞానాన్ని పద్యాల రూపంగా వ్రాశారు. అవే గోవింద వాక్యాలుగా పిలువబడతాయి. అవి మొత్తం 320 పద్యాలు. మేషరాశిలో శని ప్రవేశమైతేను మేలు కొందరికి అయ్యేనిమా, దోషకారులెల్ల ధూళయ్యిపోయేరు ధూమకేతువు మింట బుట్టీనిమా. When Saturn enters Aries sign, some people get benefited. False talkers will perish. Comet shall appear in sky. వసుదలో బహుధాన్య వశ్చరమందున ఉత్పాతములు బహు గల్గీనిమా. ఎమ్మె కర్ములకు చింతలు పుట్టిని దుర్మిదించిన నరులు సమసేరుమా. On earth in year బహుధాన్య. Calamities will happen more. Lavish sinners will feel bad. Fools and ignorants will perish. కళ్ళలాడేవారిని కిడ్రుగానుగులలో మళ్ళించి పొర్లించి గూల్చీనుమా. తొల్లి చండికదేవి శనివద్ద చేరింది కళ్ళయుగమున వింత గల్గీనిమా. ముడుపు వెంకటప్ప ఉత్సాహమయ్యేని ముడుపులు తిరుమలకు నడచేనుమా. కడప వద్దనున్న కమలాపురములోన కప్పకోడి కూత కూసీనిమా. ఫర్ సేక్ ఆఫ్ లార్డ్ వెంకటేశ్వర, people start offerings at Tirumala. In Kamalapuram near Kadapa, frog will shout like hen. జాతి జాతికి చాలా వైరముల్ గల్గీని జనయోగము తల్లడిల్లీనిమా. పెన్నయొడ్డున నుండు చెన్నూరు గ్రామము వరదల పాలయ్యి పొయ్యీనిమా. Difference arises between sects, unity will trouble. village Chennuru on banks of Penna river will get floods. ఈశాన్యమున నుండి విషగాలి వచ్చి విపరీత నరులంత చచ్చేరుమా, కపట కిరాతుకుల ఖండించి వేయును కల్కి అవతారుడు వచ్చేనిమా. ఫ్రమ్ నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ poisonous gas will come and kill uncontrolled people to punish evildoers and cheaters. కల్కి అవతార విల్ కమ్. పొగరుబోతులంత భవిష్యమంతయు బూటకమని పలుకుచుండేరుమా, కాగల కార్యముల్ కనురెప్పపాటులో జాగులేక జరిగిపోయినుమా. Arrogants say these professions are all false. Things that have to be done will be done in less time without delay. భారత భూమిని పరిపాలనము చేయ పరదేశవాసులు వచ్చేరుమా, 6 సంవత్సరములు ఏకరీతిగా అంబయొక్కతే అవని నేలేనిమా. Foreign people will come to rule Indian land. For 6 years Amba will rule the Indian land. కళ్ళలాడేవారిని కిర్రుగానుగలలో మళ్ళించి పొర్లించి గూల్చేనుమా, తొల్లి చండికదేవి శనివద్ద చేరింది కళ్ళముగన్ వింత కల్గేనిమా. విశ్వంబులో విశ్వనాథావధూతయగు విశ్వబ్రాహ్మణుడొకడు పుట్టేనుమా, విశ్వంబులో తాను శాశ్వతంబుగా నుండే విశ్వనాథుండని పల్కేనుమా. In this universe a Vishwa Brahmin Avadhuta named Vishwanatha will be born. In universe he says he will remain always as Ishvara. భూతకాలంబున రేపల్లె మూలన ఈత చెట్టుకు పూజ చేసేరుమా, ధాతపార్థివ మధ్య దేశాధిపతులెల్ల పాతకంబుగరణము చేసేరుమా. In time period of earth near Repalle area people will pray to ఈత చెట్టు. In between Dhatu and Parthiva years countries shall fight worst wars. ఉల్లిగడ్డకు ఉపదేశమిచ్చేటి కళ్ళగురువులు కలిసి ఉండేరుమా, కళ్ళగురువులు నెల్ల కాలదన్నును యముడు కళ్ళలేని నరుల కరుణించేనిమా. In Kaliyuga teachers who can teach even to onions will exist. Those false teachers will be taken care by Yama God. Innocent people will be graced. 5004 సంవత్సరములకు అవనీంద్రుడు అస్తమించేనుమా, 5036 మీదను అమితముగ యుద్ధములు జరిగేనిమా. In Kali years 5004 a great man will be left. After Kali year 5036 more wars will happen. బాగుగా ఆనంద వశ్చరంబునను నగుమల్లె నశించేనుమా, నగుమల్లె రీతి నరులంత చచ్చేటి యోగంబు ముందింక వచ్చేనుమా. ఇన్ ది ఇయర్ ఆనంద నగుమల్లె ఫ్లవర్స్ విల్ బికమ్ ఎక్స్టింక్ట్. లైక్ నగుమల్లె పీపుల్ ఎక్స్టింక్షన్ విల్ బీ కమింగ్ సూన్. బహుధాన్య విక్రమ వశ్చరంబులోన బహుయుద్ధముల్ జరిగేనుమా, రాహుకేతువుల వలె రారాజులిద్దరూ రణరంగమున కాలు దువ్వేరుమా. ఇన్ ఇయర్స్ బహుధాన్య అండ్ విక్రమ many wars will be fought. Like Rahu and Ketu, those 2 kings will get ready for battle. If you like this video, like our devotional star channel, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.